Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so for problem 1, we're using algorithm 1, which has a procedure that is just called max, and the input is a list of integers, right? So a1 to an, and these are integers. And it starts by just setting the maximum equal to the first element in the list, right? And then for all the rest of the elements in the list. So if our index is I, we want to run it from the second element in the list all the way to the last element in the list. We're just going to check to see if what we currently have as our max is less than this element in the list. And if it is, then we want to set our maximum equal to this new element, right? And at the end, we just want to return our maximum. Okay. So then for this problem, we are given a list. So our A1 through N is going to be the list 1, 8, 12, 9, 11, 2, 14, 5, 10, and then 4. So the first step of our algorithm is to set maximum. So this would be, perhaps we should number it, step 1. It's going to be to set the maximum equal to the first element in our list. And in that case, it's equal to 1. So step 2 is going to be to compare the next element in the list with our current maximum, right? So the next element in the list is 8. So we want to check to see if 1 is less than 8. Okay, and in this case it is, right? So yes, it is. And since it is, then we want to set our maximum then equal to 8. So we're resetting it. Okay, so step 3, we're going to check to see if 8, our current maximum, is less than the third element in the list, right, which is 12. And it is, right? So we're going to set our new maximum equal to 12. So the fourth step is to check if our current maximum 12 is less than the fourth element in the list, which is 9. And in this case, it is not. Okay, so we're not resetting the maximum, we're just going to the fifth step. So in this instance, we're going to check to see if 12, our current max, is less than the next element in the list, 11. And again, we have that this one is not less than that. Okay, so the max is still 12. So we'll go to step 6 here, and we will check for our current max, which is still 12. You can kind of see that in this rightmost column here. Current max 12 is less than the next element in the list, which is 2. Okay, so again, it's going to be no. All right, so I'm going to move on to a new page, but I'm just going to write a reminder here that our current max is equal to 12. Okay, and so we see then that the next element in the list, we still need to do 14, 5, 10, and 4. All right, so we still need to investigate 14, 5, 10, and 4. So we'll check, and this is going to be step 7. Check if our current max, which is 12, is less than the next element in the list, which is 14. All right, and in this case, it is. So we're going to reset the max again. and this time we will set it equal to 14. So now we have step 8, where we want to check to see if our current max, which has changed, it's now 14, is less than the next element in the list, which is 5. Right? And the answer is no. So the max will stay the same. We'll go to step 9, check to see if 14 is less than 10, which was our second to last element in the list. And again, it's not. So we leave our maximum the same. And then we have our final step. We want to compare 14 with the last element in the list. In this case, it's 4. Okay, and this also does not hold. So that means we're going to return. The last step would return max. And that is equal to 14.